goodbye to the dirty dustpan and hello to Kemper's Toekick Vacuum, an innovative solution built into the front or side of your cabinet. The Toekick Vacuum is conveniently located for quick, easy cleanup of small debris. No bending is required. Simply tap the switch with your foot to activate the unit and sweep litter toward the vacuum. The Toekick Vacuum's strong suction will draw in the debris, then automatically power off after 10 seconds. Waste is contained within the unit in a disposable bag, which is easily replaced as needed. The Toekick Vacuum features a stainless steel look faceplate designed to complement any space. Prepare to make cleanups a cinch. Talk to your designer today about the best place to add Kemper's Toekick Vacuum to your kitchen design.